Hello, and thank you for taking the time today to learn a little bit more about the new Gen 3 QuickBooks Online Accountants Edition. My name is Jeremy Burke, and I am a Business Development Manager here in Canada, and I get to service the great accountants and bookkeepers in the province of Alberta. I am very excited to be able to introduce the new functionality of this program, specifically the ability to create a client account on your own 24/7, taking advantage of a 50% off perpetual discount and also our wholesale billing setup. Let us begin. So as you can see, I'm logged into our new Gen 3 QuickBooks Online Accounts Edition. Over on the right hand side of the screen you can see this button says Add Client. So what I'm going to do is just click that, and this is going to basically bring up a wizard, which is 3 steps to setting up your client file. I am going to create a fictitious client called Joe Blow, and Joe is going to own a company called AB Snow Removal Ltd. Now, I can continue filling out the information, but it only requires the display name, so I'm just going to hit the next button. The next screen is where you set up your project. The first part of the setup is asking you what region it is. It is defaulted to Canada. In the future, you're actually going to be able to set up cross-regional subscriptions for clients, such as if you had a client in the United States that needed a copy of QuickBooks Online, you can create a file for them and work on their file through your program. But Joe Blow is a Canadian-based business, so we're going to leave it as Canada. And then next I have the ability to choose what variation of QuickBooks Online we're going to use for them. So there's Easy Start, Essentials, and Plus. If you need to know the differences between the 3 different programs, you can click the Compare Products button, or you can contact your account manager or one of our great sales representatives, and they'll be more than happy to go through it. Now, Joe Blow owns a service-based business, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Essentials, and then it opens up another box. Now this box basically allows you to either have your client pay for their own subscription, or you can pay on behalf of your subscription. If you choose the client will pay, what will happen is they'll create a subscription of QuickBooks Online Essentials, which is normally $19 per month. They will get a discount of 50% off for the first 12 months and only pay $9.50 for that period of time. After that, they'll go back up to the regular price. If you choose to pay on behalf of your client, you will be billed at 50% off not only for the first 12 months, but actually for the life of the subscription. So I am going to, in this case, choose My Firm Will Pay and take advantage of wholesale billing. Then I'm going to click Next. Now, the next screen here is Team Access. So if you have a firm with multiple employees, each firm employee can have a copy of their own QuickBooks Online accountant, and it'll have a list of all those people that have access. At this point in time, you can assign who is going to take care of that client file within your firm. So for example, if you had 100 clients and you had 10 staff members, you might want to pick 10 clients per staff member. But in this case I'm only one person, so I'm going to hit the Save button. Once you hit the Save button, you'll see the screen kind of gray out and a spinning wheel. It'll probably last about 30 to 45 seconds, and then after that it'll go back to the main page and you'll see that the account has been created. So here's my AB Snow Removal Limited. Status is a QuickBooks Online Essentials account, and I can click on it and basically begin setting up a client from there. And that is it. That's how to create a file on your own, taking advantage of the 50% discount. Now, the one functionality, it's a great improvement over the Generation 2 program, is the wholesale billing function. If you set up your accounts this way, instead of having, say, 100 accounts with 100 different charges on your credit card throughout the month, you will start compiling all those 100 subscriptions, and they will be totaled up and billed out to you once a month there. So that is fantastic. And I just want to thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager or one of our great sales reps. Have a great day.